own a beauty brand, this video is for you. If you are feeling overwhelmed by the demands of social media, trust me, you're not alone. I totally get it. Running a business and trying to keep up with creating content, posting consistently, and engaging with your audience can feel like a long-time job on its own. But here's the good news. Today, we are going to break it all down, and I'm going to show you how you can create a solid social media strategy specifically for your beauty brand. And the best part? I'm also going to tell you how you can use Predis AI to make this whole process so much easier. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take your social media game to the next level. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the foundation of any successful social media presence: a solid strategy. Without it, posting on social media can feel like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. So here's what you need to focus on. First, let's talk about the content pillars. These are the content themes or topics that your brand will consistently post about. For a beauty brand, your pillars might include makeup tutorials, skincare tips, product reviews, and even behind-the-scenes content. The idea is to create content that your audience can come to expect and look forward to. Knowing who your ideal customers are is crucial. Are they skincare enthusiasts looking for the latest trends? Makeup beginners searching for easy tips? Or perhaps professionals in the beauty industry? Once you know who they are, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Then there's your brand voice. This is how your brand speaks online. Whether you want it to be fun, playful, or elegant or sophisticated, it's important that your brand voice is consistent across all of your posts. This helps to create a strong brand identity that your audience can connect with. Another key component is having a content calendar. Trust me, planning your post ahead of time is a game changer. It's not the only thing that keeps you organized, but also ensures that you're consistently posting content that aligns with your strategy. And finally, let's not forget about the engagement strategy. Posting content is just one part of the puzzle. Engaging with your audience is equally important. This means responding to comments, asking questions, running polls, anything that encourages interaction. Remember, social media is meant to be social. Why is this all important? Well, without a clear strategy, your post might not be reaching the right people, your followers could be stagnant, and your overall engagement could suffer. Your social media algorithm thrives on content that resonates with an audience. So having a well-thought-out strategy is the key to making sure your content gets in front of the right eyes. I know what you're thinking. All this sounds great, but who has the time to do all of this? That is where Predis AI comes in. It's like having a personal assistant who's an expert in social media but without the hefty price tag. Let's dive into how Predis AI can make your life easier. First off, there is an AI-generated content. Imagine being able to quickly generate content ideas that are perfectly tailored to your target audience. Whether you need ideas for posts, captions, even hashtags, Predis AI has it covered. Speaking of AI-generated captions and hashtags, these are a lifesaver. Not only do they save you time, but they also help ensure your posts reach a wider audience. The AI suggests hashtags that are relevant and trending, so your content has a better chance of being discovered. And then there's the social media scheduling feature. This is where you can plan and schedule your posts in advance. No more scrambling to post something last minute. You can set everything up ahead of time and let Predis AI handle the rest. But instead of me just telling you about it, let me show you how easy it is to use Predis AI. Okay, let's walk through the process together. First, you're going to log into your Predis AI account. Once you're in, head over to the Create New section. Now this is where the magic happens. Let's say you want to create a post about a new skincare product you are launching. You can either start from scratch or use the AI to generate ideas. Once you've got your idea, you can customize the post to match your brand's voice and aesthetics. You can tweak the text, choose different visuals, and make sure it aligns with your brand. Next, let's talk about the captions and hashtags. Now this part is way too easy. Just let the AI do its thing. I'll suggest captions and hashtags that are only relevant but also optimized to boost your post's visibility. Finally, you can schedule your posts. Just pick the date and time that works for you, and Predis AI will take care of the rest. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created and scheduled a post that's ready to go live. If you are managing multiple platforms, Predis AI lets you share your content across all platforms in just a few clicks. Are you ready to take the stress out of social media management? Give Predis AI a try with our free version and see for yourself how much time you can save. Trust me, once you see how easy it is to create and schedule posts, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And before you go, I got a little bonus for you. Predis AI also has this amazing competitor analysis feature. It lets you see what's working for other brands in your industry so you can get inspired and stay ahead of the game. Imagine having all of this information at your fingertips. It's like having a roadmap to social media success. If you're interested in learning more, just drop a free demo in the comments below and we'll send you a link to check it out. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tools and tricks to help you level up your social media game. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.